This is the magnificent view from the apartment of Boulevard Vue, widely considered to be one of the most exclusive apartments in all of District 9, Singapore. My name is Donna Daniels, and today I have the privilege to take you on a tour of this luxury apartment. Welcome to the iconic Boulevard Vue. The apartment is more than 4,700 square feet of pristine interior, a blank canvas, your vision, your dream, your creation. Designed by the renowned architect Takashi Sugimoto, the state-of-the-art kitchen has an open plan for you, your family and guests, plus a huge wine cooler room and separate pantry and cooking area where I can imagine caterers cooking for your exclusive parties. Boulevard Vue is your blank canvas, your work of art, your creation, your masterpiece, and your personalized expression of opulent luxury. Many apartments you view are already staged, which is where an interior designer is hired to make an empty apartment feel like a home. However, this apartment is not staged for a very good reason. Very often when you have a staged apartment, it's someone else's vision in their space. There are 4 generous bedrooms, each with an ensuite, culminating in the impressive master suite with its own glorious terrace, striking views and a real wow factor. The bathroom that only dreams are made of. Now this is the piece de resistance, a fantastic jacuzzi spa bath on your own private balcony. Imagine sipping champagne, looking at this spectacular view to die for. And here you have perfect views of the Singapore Sea, the Marina Bay Sands, the Singapore Flyer. You could even see the fireworks on New Year's Eve. Level 1 and 3 are set aside for exclusive facilities, including a 25-meter lap pool for relaxation or exercise, state-of-the-art security, 24-hour concierge. Each Boulevard residence also comes with 3 individually designated garage spaces. This apartment is so captivating and alluring. It's a one-of-a-kind opportunity to create the pinnacle of luxury you've been dreaming of. And when you've moved into your gorgeous new sensational apartment, call us, because we want to come for the housewarming. You bring the food and drinks, we'll bring the fun and the party. So check out crazyrichhomes.com and call our representatives.